I am starting a brand new cryptocurrency portfolio with you here today, and I'm going to be buying $100 worth of one cryptocurrency coin. Smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because I'm so excited to start this journey here with you. In fact, I've been building out portfolios for the last couple of weeks and months, but please understand that I'm not a financial advisor. And full disclosure, I do hold the coins that I will be speaking about in today's video because, well, I'm going to be buying them and adding them to our new portfolio. Now, I'm also going to, call this our $100 public YouTube portfolio. And yeah, I might even post this down below so that you can track this and see this. And the whole goal is to show you if you have, a little bit of money, but you want to start investing in crypto and you want to start winning in crypto, and you don't want to have to go through all of the crazy painstaking effort it takes to do the research and to find all this stuff. That's why you come here to this channel. Also, I'm going to be making an entire playlist because what I've noticed after, literally 831 videos is that most of you just want to know one simple thing: what cryptocurrency I'm buying and why I'm buying it. And in fact, I made a playlist and I've already started adding in a bunch of these cryptocurrency coins. And I've been, adding that in and basically sharing with you what I've been buying and selling and all that other fun stuff. So this is where you're going to see this new portfolio. And we're going to be doing $100 crypto buys. The reason why is because to me, $100 in my life right now is irrelevant. So cryptocurrency investing should be fun, okay? It should not be stressful. If you're looking at the charts, if you're freaking out if the candles are going up and down, you've invested too much. After looking at all of the different pain points as well as places where people make mistakes in crypto and teaching my, core group of students, the biggest thing that I see them doing is they overinvest. And to me, this is going to be a great way to track things, to stay accountable, and to see what's going to happen here in the future. So we're going to add a transaction and we're going to be buying, the best crypto meme coin out there right now. I'm just kidding. I don't know what this is not, but it's going to be Pepe. Okay. We're buying Pepe. And the reason why we're buying Pepe, I'm going to share with you all the way to the end of the video, but we're going to get into a bunch of, well, let's see here. We have to do a little bit less of this. Approximately $100 worth. So that'll be like 78. No, 79. Yes, maybe 80. And there you go. So that's how much Pepe we're going to be buying. Right now, we're going to add our transaction. It's going to take us a couple seconds to load. And there you go. Our portfolio's in. Pepe is our first cryptocurrency coin. Now, if you want to know the other cryptocurrency coins that I have bought and I've shared in my online course, click the links down below. And the reason why I'm sharing this is because on my online course are up approximately 18% over $200. Our best performer has been Bitcoin and our worst has been Hex. So those are two little bonuses for you. Those are two coins that I ended up buying. I also have a HODL portfolio here that I shared with my online class, and I won't share all of the details here, but that portfolio, since I made it, is up 50% in profits, over $5,000. Okay, so if you're interested in learning, all right, what's Joe actually buying and selling and making these videos, making these portfolios for my online groups, and this one is up 50%, which has been fantastic. The top 25 portfolio is up over $1,100, so it'll take a second to load. But this one right here, the all-time profit is 14% or $1,400 in profit. And then right here, the 50, 25, 25 is also up all-time profits right now. If you were to have bought when I bought and sold when I sold, it's up 55%. These are our best and worst performers, up over $5,000 in this portfolio. So just wanted to share that the proof is in the pudding so far, but we're going to start things off here. And this is for you to follow along. We're in it together. We got some Pepe. Why did I choose Pepe? Well, I chose Pepe for a few different reasons. The first reason is because in 2021, here were the top 10 performing cryptocurrency coins. The number one top performing crypto is Shiba. And the whole game of crypto, in my opinion personally, is if you want to win at this game and you want to actually make money and do well for yourself, is you want to find the best performing crypto. The hard part is it's difficult to do this. You have no idea which one is going to do what Shiba did. There's no rhyme or reason for you to tell hey, this is actually going to happen. You are guessing. Everyone's guessing. We're all speculating. But the proof is in the pudding because the number one crypto, it wasn't Bitcoin, it wasn't Ethereum, it wasn't Cardano, it wasn't Solana, it was Shiba Inu at literally plus 270,000% gains. So to me, if I'm following what happened in the past, it only makes sense for a meme coin to absolutely explode towards the upside. And what better meme coin than Pepe? But before I share with you even more about Pepe, make sure you're following me over on Twitter. I'm going to be putting in videos like this about when I'm actually buying and linking this on my Twitter. Also, make sure to follow over on Instagram. We have 55,000. Our reels are doing fantastic, as well as 1 million on TikTok. All the links are down below. Here's my link tree at Joe Parys. So it's a link tree / Joe Parys. Don't fall for all the other links. There's a bunch of people that are being an imposter. I'm trying to get verified on all of these different things. It's been crazy. Only use the Linktree / Joe Parys. All of this is the official accounts for me, okay? Now, the other reason why I actually think Pepe right now is going to outperform virtually the entire market potentially moving forward is because according to Token Metrics, their number 4 coin for the coin of the week is Pepe. So if you want some other bonus ones, Bitcoin, because it's Bitcoin season, Litecoin, Sandbox, Pepe, XCAD Network, and then XRP. So that's what is according to Token Metrics, and they have some really neat metrics and things to share with you. But why Pepe? The reason why Pepe is because Pepe has been the most memeable meme in existence up to this point, and their argument is that the dogs have had their day, and it's time for Pepe to reign. So the dog coins, that is Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Floki, Baby Dogecoin, all those dog coins, what they're saying is that they've had their day. And that I believe, personally, that Pepe could potentially be the next Shiba or Doge. And we've seen with the price action that it has done some crazy things. Speaking of which, Pepe has become the 3rd largest meme coin today, and you can see here, according to this article, that it has outperformed Dogecoin and Shiba in the last few months. Pepe is the meme coin that everyone's lips, because of the crazy run that it went on. People have made millions of dollars from literally $200, $300, and according to the price action right now, fully diluted market cap right now of Pepe is $529 million. And if you were to compare that to other coins like Shiba Inu or Dogecoins, if you scroll down here, you go to Dogecoin, Dogecoin is sitting at a $10 billion market cap. That's why I think Pepe could potentially 10x, 50x, maybe even more, and maybe not 50x, but I would say 10x, 15x, somewhere around there, because of the market cap itself. If it were to 10x, or even 20x, then it would reach Dogecoin's market cap today. Now, same thing with Shiba Inu. So if you look at Shiba here, you can see that Shiba Inu's market cap is approximately 5 billion. So a 10x for Pepe would get it to Shiba, a 20x would get it to Doge. Now, I think it could potentially surpass that, and here's why. Pepe is the newer of the meme coins. Doge and Shiba, while I do think that they'll actually be successful as well and could be very, very successful in this next bull run, I think Pepe has a better chance of actually outperforming it because this is Pepe's first bull run. And if you take a look at coins that go through their first cycle, typically coins in general will have lengthening cycles and diminishing returns. So there'll be a diminishing return the longer the coin is out. Why? Because, well, the coin is just, there's more market cap, it's harder for it to move, and it's just, I wouldn't say forgotten about, but also everyone wants the shiny new thing that's going to go hard and go crazy. Where if a crypto coin's been out for 4 or 5 years, it's not new, it's not shiny, it's not crazy, they don't really care. So what's made Pepe unique is that they're trying to make meme coins great again, and they're giving people a reason to rally around this meme. So this was also a stealth launch with no pre-sale, no tax, the LP is burnt, and Pepe is a coin for the people forever, fueled by pure memetic power, and Pepe is going to lead the way. Now, the reason why I think that Pepe could actually go viral and do a 10x or 20x from this point is because it's already on all the major exchanges: Gemini, Binance, KuCoin, Huobi, Bybit, Crypto.com, BitGet, OKX, and Bing Japan. So it's on a lot of the major ones. Also on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, and you can also check the charts on Dex Tool. So this makes Pepe very easy to buy. Because you might be asking yourself, well, Joe, I want to play along and maybe I'll just have some fun with you here. Here's how to buy. Remember, I'm not telling you to buy or sell. I'm not telling you to do anything. This is just what I'm doing and sharing with you in general. got to create a wallet, you got to get some ETH to swap for Pepe, and then you can use Uniswap. Or you can just go to any of these exchanges and swap for Pepe. If you don't know how to use any of these exchanges, you know how any of this works. Again, in my online courses and programs, I teach you exactly how all of that works. And I show you in my Millionaires Club all the different, reviews, all the different things, time-sensitive updates, and there is tons of content in this. I mean, look at this, absolutely crazy. And if you have questions about some of these cryptocurrency projects, this is where I actually do reviews in the course as well, very similar to what you're seeing here. So besides all of these reasons why, this is why I also think that Pepe is going to shine. If you just take a look, like I said, at the chart of Pepe right now, you can see here that it's very, very new, okay? So literally, Pepe has only been out for approximately, well, this is the 4-hour chart, so let's go to the 1-day chart. You can see that Pepe has only been out for about 2 months. Compared to Shiba Inu, which this chart looks very similar, Shiba Inu has been out for a lot longer than 2 months. So it has been out for approximately 2 years, okay? And now if you look at the charts in general, you can see they pump up, they come down. Shiba, pump up, come down. And right now I'm making this video and starting this portfolio because I think we're in an accumulation zone for altcoins. According to the Altcoin Season Index, we are sitting at an 8, and right now it is actually Bitcoin season. So the best time to be buying altcoins, according to the Altcoin Index, is in Bitcoin season and when things are trading sideways. Bitcoin has been trading sideways, the entire market has been trading sideways. Dogecoin again too, pumped, dumped, and now it is off to the side. So if you're going to be accumulating altcoins and getting started with a portfolio, Pepe, to me, has all of the attention going on it. In fact, if you go to their Twitter, you can see here they have 294,000 followers. And here are all of the direct links, Telegram, everything. They have a ton of engagement. 1.5 million views is absolutely insane. And they are, posting and doing things and getting tons and tons and tons of engagement. Now, I also don't think that there is much more to this, and I think the simplicity of Pepe is what is going to make it potentially succeed as well. You see, most people, when it comes to investing, they believe that there has to be a use case. There has to be something that you can do for it, or that it's just not going to, be one of those coins that lasts for a long time or does really, mad gains. Where in reality, as I shared with you, Shiba Inu, Gala, and a lot of these other tokens are ones that didn't have a whole lot of utility to begin with, especially Shiba and these meme coins. So you can see here that their roadmap is quite simple. Phase 1, just launch, get on CoinGecko, and get 1,000 holders. Phase 2, start developing more community partners, and then from there, get on more centralized exchanges, which they've done, 10,000 holders. Phase 3, merchandise, tools, more tier 1 exchanges, and 100,000 holders, which they have done, and now they are taking over the meme coin space. And that's exactly it. That's the website. That's the whole thing. So to me, this is why I think Pepe could be one of those that I'm going to be buying and just holding on for the long run and think that it has 10 to 20x potential from this point. Now, again, that's probably not going to happen overnight, so I don't want anyone to have expectations of this, and we will be tracking this. And here's the truth. If Bitcoin and Ethereum go down, Pepe is going to go down again as well. In fact, this could go crashing down a lot more before it eventually makes new all-time highs and goes up in the future, okay? That is my prediction right now. So I'm not afraid that if it goes lower, it could certainly go lower. In fact, I actually think it probably will go a little bit lower because right now at the time of this recording, you can see that Pepe from its all-time high is down only about 68 to 70%. I think it could go down to 80, 89%. And you might be saying to yourself, well, Joe, why are you buying now then? I'm buying now then because I believe that the upside is actually a lot more than the current downside. And also, if I'm only risking $100, which to me is, an amount of money that is pretty much, like I said, not going to make me think about this over and over again and be, up at night sweating because Pepe went down 20 or 30%. This is why I'm doing this, is because it's easy. I can just set it and forget it and come back to it in a year or two and see how much I have. And that's why we're making this portfolio. This portfolio is a DCA portfolio. This portfolio is a portfolio where we may make some adjustments in the future, but this is definitely a long-term investment and portfolio, as well as a lot of my other cryptocurrency buys in my class. So if you want mentorship, if you want to learn how to buy, sell, and trade different cryptocurrency altcoins, if you want to actually know how to get in early to a lot of these cryptocurrency coins, because that's where all the money is made, click the links down below, join my VIP class, and also click the links in my link tree because I have a free masterclass teaching you exactly how I turn $10,000 into $200,000 in 1 week. And join us in the videos below. Thank you again for watching this video. Make sure to check out our next videos about what cryptocurrencies I'm buying. I'll see you in those videos, so stay tuned.